to show you how to draw a cute parrot and a cute polar bear. So we're going to start from the easiest. It's exactly the polar bear. So we're going to draw its body. It's like this, and then its eyes. Draw a circle, and then a straight line, and then two shorter lines in the middle. Two shorter lines, and then two circles, one bigger, one small. And then shade at the top. And then do it again. And then one more. And then one more, and then one more. And then shade at the top again. And then the nose, which is basically a straight line with a semicircle below. And then one more semicircle, and then shade, and then a happy face like this, and then a scarf. Don't forget any details you want to put on it. And then you're done with the polar bear. Now let's do the parrot. The beak first. This. And then this. Then let's do the head. Just basically like this. And this. Don't forget to put some zigzags. And then also some zigzags. And then the eye, just basically like this. Two of these, and then one, two, and then basically something like you can also do this while coloring, so it's not hard. Basically just doing this thing one color like that. And then like this. And then let's do a branch. Anything you want in there. And then let's put the tape just like this. And this. There, the tail's done. And then the branch is done. Now for the smaller branches. And then time to color. big. And then, yeah, we tried the nostril and we got it too dark. Black marker. You can use an orange marker and a red color pencil. Then it's all your option to put the color. Wait, maybe some earphones is missing on the polar bear. Never mind. Wait, it's missing. We're missing some earphones on the polar bear here. And then let's go back to the parrot. Oops, Mom, would you mind moving your big laptop a bit? Now we headed back to the parrot. See? We're back at the parrot. Let's put some blue. And then let's put some purple. Okay? The pink and the bottom. Anyways, this pink is magic. See? Orange. And then instantly turns pink. So, now the color on the tails, all your choice. And please like and subscribe to see other videos. Usually, one has lesser subscribers, two has even more subscribers. We should put some yellow green, right? All what's left to color is the tail. And then, of course, the branch. Brown. See? Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Notification bell. And some green for the leaves. And then the parrot is done. Of course, let's color the polar bear's earphones. Polar bear's earphones are the only one that's left. A bit too light, right? Maybe we should make it blue. Then instead of that light colored red. And then maybe some color below. Maybe some color here. Future fans, that's all for today. See you on my next video coming up.